welcome back everybody. A little better air quality for parts of the state today. East Glacier, it says moderate air quality around this area, but can't really see much here. Helena, we've just gone to unhealthy for sensitive groups. We're at moderate for most of the day, but yeah, you can just tell the air is not that good. 73 degrees, pretty comfortable day. Great Falls, upper 60s right now. And yep, this isn't a picture of Kansas behind you. This should be Montana, and you should be able to see the Highwood Mountains there, but obscured by smoke once again. Now, last night there was a little front that came into the state here, and that did bring somewhat cleaner air here for many areas east of the divide. But look at that, west of the divide, still pretty nasty for the Flathead and Bitterroot valleys here. And there's that boundary. Look at the temperatures too. Butte at 78 degrees, significantly warmer than Helena and Great Falls, but cleaner and cooler to the north of that boundary, a little warmer and smokier south of that boundary. And that boundary is pushed right up against the continental divide, and that's why west of the divide we're under an air quality warning, although not the best air east of the divide. And for Friday, this is a fire weather watch, a precursor to a red flag warning, and this could have impacts, likely will have impacts on that State Creek fire that is burning to the southwest of Boulder there, but really nothing on the radar. Once again, believe it or not, you couldn't tell, but believe it or not, there really weren't any clouds in the sky today. It was all smoke. Some updates on the fires, not much new. No news is good news for the most part on the Bridger Foothills fire. Containment up to 77%. No growth, no real activity. State Creek fire, no real activity. However, again, this one may get going again as we get into Friday as the winds pick up. 50% relative containment on that one there. The Drumming fire, no real growth or activity on that fire. How about the Cinnabar fire? This one has been around for a few weeks, but we're up to 67% containment. No real activity on that. Or the Bear Creek fire for a while. This was the biggest fire in the state, 12,000 acres. 85% contained, and again, not much activity on that. Really on any of Montana's wildfires. Most of the smoke that you could smell coming from big fires into Idaho. There's an 80,000 acre fire that continues to chug out a lot of smoke, and then of course a lot of that smoke in the upper levels of the atmosphere coming from Washington, Oregon, and California. How about what was Hurricane Sally now moving through the southeastern part of the country with as much as 2 feet of rain falling in a day. Just imagine that, and here we are in thick smoke. Smoke again for tomorrow, for Friday, but finally, as we get into the weekend, that low pressure is on the move here, and the smoke will come down. The air quality will improve as we go through Saturday into Sunday, but look at this kind of heading back into Monday, still looking at some smoke when the flow returns back to the southwest, transporting some of that smoke from out-of-state wildfires back here into Montana. So as far as future trek goes, look at some of this rain though. Coastal sections, Washington and Oregon, the Cascades. That is great news for us here in Montana, for a lot of people throughout the West. That storm will spread a few showers and thunderstorms late Friday night into western Montana. And then how about this on Saturday? Scattered showers, a few rumbles of thunder. Sunday, it's mainly the northern tier early on before that system moves out. And we'll likely have a little better air quality Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday before Wednesday flow switches back to the southwest. Forecast for tonight, lows down into the 40s here for many locations. This morning we were in the 30s, so not quite as cool. And here's the forecast for Thursday. For tomorrow, smoky skies, highs in the 70s to right around 80 degrees. For Friday, here comes that storm. A little warmer here, going up into the 80s. For Saturday, low pressure zips right across the state. Scattered showers and thunderstorms, cleaning up some of the air. And then Sunday, the rain moving out of northeast Montana. It will be a blustery day with a little more sunshine through the afternoon. There you can see the 7-day forecast for Helena, taking all the way into fall next week. Not much change for the next season as smoky skies likely return.